Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. I received a gift in the mail, so we get to do an unboxing today. Yay. All right, so here it is. This was sent to me from a new friend from a company called Zen Blessed. It's a sweet little box. I'm a sucker for a box. What about you? Whoops. Oh, wow. That's exciting. A little crystal. All right, so it's a little crystal chakra tree. Zen Blessed Cultural. And it's a little chakra tree. I'm gonna have to do some work on it to get it where we want it. And I'll take a picture when I have it in its space. Thank you, Zen Blessed. It's lovely. It is, it's quite lovely. And thank you for the bonus crystal. Let's see if there's anything in here. A little good luck card. Zen Blessed.